2, 1, let's go. A little bit of gas. Look at this. Look at how it goes. 100. Oh, slowing down. I mean, this car will get you into some trouble. Oh shit, is that a cut? I hope that's not a, okay, no. Oh my goodness, that was a close one. Whew. Okay, well, never mind. She's in dynamic mode right now, so you got that aggressive cheetah stance. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2023 Audi SQ8 on our channel. As always, we're gonna do a exterior-interior walk around, take it for a quick drive, fit in some 0 to 60 Dragy tests, and I will share my impressions with you as well. And hey, Michael, welcome back. As well, you've already seen him in the Volvo video, so let's start her up and get started. All right, let's go walk around her. She's in dynamic mode right now, so you got that aggressive cheetah stance. I much prefer this design over the Urus. I think this is a more balanced, more neutral design than the Lamborghini. It does come with the same engine, so a simple tune will wake this beast up. All right, let's go climb in the back, see how it is. Okay, well here it's like a presidential car. Lots of space, armrest, everything like you need to. Beautiful seats, love it. Let's check out the trunk. Okay, good trunk. All right, you can hear the burbles from the exhaust. Let's check out the hood, under the hood. Look at that beautiful V8 engine. Oh, there we go. Nice. All right, let's go for the drive. We have dual ambient lighting here. You see we have the green and then the purple. We have our Audi Drive Select, virtual cockpit, but as if you've seen in my older videos with Audis, it's all very standard across the board. All looks the same overall, so nothing new here. Navigation, audio, you know, simple stuff. Nice panoramic sunroof. Well, let's take her for a spin. I really like the V8 sound here. It sounds so aggressive. So what do you think of it so far, Michael?
You know, we just pulled out of the lot, and the first thing I noticed is that it has a very, very solid suspension. You know, today I test drove an X4, and overall, You mean
4 Series?
Correct, 4 Series.
Yeah,
and,
well, you can't compare them, man. You can't compare them.
But I'm just saying, like, I understand this is not a BMW, but I love the suspension on this car.
It's comfy, and we're in sport mode too. This is not even like, this is not even in comfort mode. This is in dynamic mode.
You know, the car feels really solid on the road.
Very solid. The build quality is amazing. I love the dual ambient lighting seats, like green, purple, different places. I love it. I really want to Dragy time it, you know, once we get the chance right now, see how it performs, but I think it will do well. All you need for these cars is just a simple tune. But the sound of it is great. I love the burbles in the exhaust. You can hear the pops, like a little bit. Handling actually does not feel like your typical Audi. It's very balanced. It's got a lot of feedback, much closer to a BMW rather than an Audi. Because like the S5, S4, their handling feels like weightless. You don't feel anything. But here you feel a lot of good feedback. It corners well. Really nice. The mirrors are big, easy to see. And these seats are so comfy. They feel great. Lots of support. The gauges are, again, typical Audi. So, all right. All right. Yeah, the acceleration is amazing. It's got excellent acceleration.
You know, just a quick thing I really would like to add about the seats. Recently I test drove an S5. I understand it's a car in a completely different price segment and just overall different type of vehicle, but the seats there felt like really, really tight. I'm not a big dude, but to me, like, these seats feel like a whole lot better. And this feels more like a family SUV, which can actually go. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It doesn't feel, you know, like, it feels big enough. You don't feel like cramped. You don't feel abused.
Not at all. No.
It feels like a car can do it all. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what's interesting? It also reminds me of this old Audi ad I saw on YouTube, where there was like a guy putting 4 sets of keys on like a rack, and one was for like BMW, sportiness of BMW,
yeah,
the design of an Alpha,
right,
and then there was like four different car types, and then like all together, you know, all the key rings made like the Audi logo, and this literally what this car reminds me of.
Oh, this is
reminds me of,
this
like,
is phenomenal. I gotta tell you, man, like, not to cut you off, but I gotta tell you, the power here is superb. Like, you give it a little bit of gas, like this. Look, a little bit of gas. Look at this. Look at how it goes. 100. Oh, slowing down. I mean, this car will get you into some trouble. Oh shit! Is that a? I hope that's not a. Okay, no. Oh my goodness, that was a close one. Whew. Okay, well, never mind. Yeah. Anyway, what was I gonna say? The power here is great, spectacular, I would say.
The transmission is doing a really good job. You know, does a really good job shifting.
Timed the 0 to 60 on it. So the first time we're going to do the 0 to 60 test, no, we just leave it. We just keep it in your hands. The first time we're going to do 0 to 60s, we're just going to do it from idle. So no, you know, no launch control, just sport mode, and going to go from idle. I don't know why the window keeps on fogging up, but all right, after this, we're going to go. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. .14, and we did 8.67 on the 1/8 mile at 87 miles an hour. So I was right when I said 5.2. It's 5.14. I was close. So
pretty spot on.
So I was actually really close. Obviously I didn't use, you know, launch control or anything, but that's going to be the next test that we're going to do, is we're going to do launch control. But nevertheless, I gotta say, this is really good. I gotta say, this is really good. All right, so let's see the speedometer accuracy. So at 80 miles an hour, it's showing actually 80 miles an hour. At 82 is 80, 81. So about 2 miles per hour off, which I think is really good. I know where we're gonna do our test on the way back. I know exactly where we're doing. The brakes also, I want to mention, feel great here. They're really good, really strong, so no problem with that. Really good brakes. All right, so actually this may be actually a really good place too. Okay, let's go on the hazards. So this may actually be a really good place too. All right, now this time we're gonna do launch control once the traffic passes. All right, let's do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. We did 4.32. All right, let's look at the times. So we did 0 to 60 in 4.32. Quarter mile came in 12.57 at 109.9. And it's valid. It's a fully valid run. So this is the same time that per se an X3 M40i would get 1-to-1 on the trap speed, 1-to-1 on the quarter mile. 62 to 100 miles per hour came at 5.94, 5.86. Yeah, I mean, performance-wise, it feels faster than it really is. I'll just say that. It feels faster than it actually is. Yeah,
for launch control, definitely.
No, like, but listen, what I'm trying to say is that, you know, trap speed is 8.08 1/8 mile. So performance-wise, it actually feels very, very fast and powerful, but it's as fast as an X3 M40i. I'll just say that. It's not anything like bizarre that you feel like. It feels way faster than it really is.
Yeah, that's definitely the case.
Maybe it's because of the suspension. I don't know.
But that's not the most craziest thing. The craziest thing is that it's a family SUV.
Yeah, no, it's great.
Soccer mom driving off, drop off little Timmy.
No, the performance here is spectacular. So, you know, the response, the how do you say, the, you know, the pickup is amazing. So I mean, I'm glad we got to test it out, you know, see what it does. We got to test out what it does. Yeah, let's also look at the map here, how it works. Okay, so it works like that. Okay. For some reason, the window keeps fogging up. I don't know why. But let's try the cornering. Boom. Let's try the cornering abilities. See, like, it feels really fast, right?
It definitely does.
But it's like, when you look at the numbers, it's fast, but it's not as fast as you think it is. This is not faster than what the S5 was, to be honest, by much. Like, it was very close to the S5. Not far off. Like, the X3 and 40i is just as fast. If not faster, actually. I don't know why the window keeps fogging up. This is really annoying. Like, it's so instant, though. It's like instant. All right. Okay, let's try comfort mode actually now. I want to try comfort mode. Drive select, let's go to comfort. Okay, this is going to be comfort now. All right. Why is the window fogging up all the time? Can you tell me? I don't know, man. Anyways, the ride in the comfort mode is extraordinary. It's S-Class smooth. Like, it feels like an S-Class.
Oh, 100%.
And I'll be honest, just to summarize my impressions, I've really enjoyed driving this car. Like, I really enjoy driving it. It handles beautifully for its size. It rides like an S-Class 7 Series. It's way more good on the steering than per se an S5 or an S4 from Audi. This is a real high quality product. The fit and finish is excellent. I love the dual lighting. I love all the materials. Everything feels great in my hands. The virtual cockpit is one of the best in class. What else? The mirrors are great and big. There's plenty of places to put your arm, you know, just to chill. And what I like the most is the pickup. Like, do you see how instant it is?
Oh, definitely.
It's like the actual pickup is so torquey and instant, it kicks you right in like this. And because the suspension is a little floatier, it sits a little bit down and it gives you that shove in the back, which gives you the feeling that you're even faster than you really are. But seriously, this car is worth its price tag. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think it was gonna be worth it, but after driving it right now, I think this is absolutely worth it, every single way. Even in comfort, it handles beautifully. Like, it's great. The response is a little bit slower in comfort, but that's normal. That's how it should be. Anyways, this was great, and I'm really glad we got to test it out beside the foggy window, but who cares? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you all next time.